In today's video, I'm going to be taking this chair that I picked up from Dirt Cheap for 90% off, which was $11, regular $200, because it was missing the two legs. Stay tuned to see what I do. To my channel, y'all know this is a budget-friendly channel, so guess what? I found this nice chair that was missing the two front legs. This is the back legs that I'm showing you here. And you know Mrs Vee is all about saving money, so I went ahead and picked up the chair for $11. And that's where the screws go to attach the bottom to the back. Here I went to Lowe's and I was trying to find something that would mimic the existing legs, and I found this stair rail, and that's what I'm going to be using in this video. Clever, right? Okay, at some point, well, I guess we're going to get this wood cut. So let's try that again. So, I'm going to cut it down to 17 inches. I'm going to do like 17 and a half inches, just in case I make a mistake. So, if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm Mrs Vee. This channel focuses on budget-friendly content. I try to bring you content that will be relevant for years to come. That's why I focus on saving money, because you're always going to want to learn ways to save money. So I finally got the banister cut down to 17 inches. And see that jagged edge? Hold on, I got another power tool I'm going to be using in this video. Find these masks in my storage building. You know, right now this is a hot commodity, mask and hand sanitizer, so I was excited about that. So I have those on because, you know, when you're cutting wood, it generates a lot of sawdust. So I gotta cut one more. My husband gonna do this one. 17 inches off this banister. No, we're not professionals, so if there is someone out there that knows the correct way to do it, I'm just letting you know that we're not professionals. We're just trying to save some money and decorate our home. But I am open to tips. Anything that deals with safety. I'm not too arrogant to accept constructive criticism. So we got another jagged edge, so I'll fix that later. So now I am unboxing for the first time my Black & Decker sander, and I'm gonna go ahead and sand those ends down because they're kind of jagged and they're kind of crooked. They're kind of at an angle. So that's what I'm gonna be doing right here. And I love this sander. Even my first time using it, I'm loving it. So I'm gonna sand this down so we can have a smooth finish. So as I was saying, if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I am Mrs Vee, and I focus on budget-friendly content like this right here. Picking up a $200 chair for $11 and just doing a little work on it. So if that's something you're interested in, go ahead and tap that red subscribe button at the bottom of the screen and tap that notification bell twice so you'll be notified when I upload videos. Right now in the month of April, I'm uploading a video every day. That's why when you see on the video it says VEDA, veda, that's video every day in April. So that's what I'm doing right now. So I'm getting those jagged edges off the side. Yeah, I'm loving this sander. And I picked it up from Lowe's a while back. I'm just now using it. So I really like the way this chair turned out. I was just surprised that I actually found these banisters, something that mimics the existing legs. At first I was looking for some actual replacement legs for the chair, but I never could find any that would match the existing shape of the previous legs. And plus, a couple of things I did find was too expensive, so that was defeating the purpose of buying the chair for $11, and then I'm gonna spend $30 to $40 trying to upcycle the chair. That doesn't make sense to me mathematically. So I picked these rails up, this banister, for $1.89, and I got 2 legs out of it. And then I took the manual on how to put the chair together to the store with me and bought some screws, because the screws were missing also. And so that didn't cost me, it cost me less than $3. So in all, I probably spent about $15 on the chair. A $200 chair. Now that's how you shop over here on my channel. So this is my Parsons dining room chair that I have with my stairwell banister legs on it. So this is how it's looking. So I'm gonna go ahead and glue it down with some E6000, and I'll be back. This is my chair 2 days later after I've let it sit with the E6000 glue. So I'm getting ready to paint it. I'm going to use some leftover wall paint that I have. That's me showing you where I taped it off, where I want to paint the fabric. This is the color of the legs I'm going to use. This is the color of the paint that I'm going to use for the legs. And this is some paint that I already have, because you remember this is a budget friendly channel, and at this point this is the way to go to use items that you already have. Do not spend any extra money if you do not have to. So that's the leftover paint, and I'm gonna be using that. So this is the paint with 1 coat of paint on it. I'm liking the way it's looking. At first I was gonna do black, and then I changed my mind. I was like, let me try this paint that I already have. One good thing about it, if I did decide I wanted black, I could just go over this paint. So this is 1 coat. This is how it's looking. And when I finished with this chair, those legs looked like they were already there. Yay! This is my vanity chair that I picked up from dirt cheap on the clearance rack. Regularly, I gotta take that tape off. I'll do that later. Regularly $200. They marked it down to $11 because it was missing the 2 of the front legs and the screws. So, as I stated earlier, I went to Lowe's and picked up a stairwell banister, cut it down, measured the existing legs and cut it down. I see I got some paint spots I need to go back over. I'll do that later. And it was also missing the screws, so I took the manual and showed it to the guy at Lowe's, and he went around and found all the screws that I needed, and all of that was like under $5. So I pretty much got this chair for like $15 and some change. A $200 chair, and it's very comfortable, so I'm gonna use it as my vanity chair. So this is one way to save money, buy things off the clearance rack, even if they are missing parts, because you can always replace those parts. That's if you're interested in doing things like that. So that's it. So I think this video is coming at a great time, being that a lot of people being laid off and losing their jobs and just downsizing. So I just wanted to bring you some content that helps you save money. I paid this chair for about 3 months, and I'm just not getting to adding the legs. So that's it. That's gonna conclude this video. This is Mrs Vee. I'm gonna continue to show you love. I'm gonna always help you save on some of the things you need, so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you, and have a nice day.